सोचा है हाउ गोल बेस्ड इन्वेस्टिंग इन म्यूचुअल फंड्स कैन हेल्प यू? अगर हाँ तो चलिए हम आपको बताएंगे कैसे। इमेजिन all your financial dreams laid out like a roadmap, clear, achievable, and tailored just for you. Gone are the days of generic investment strategies. Whether you're dreaming of retiring in luxury, funding your child's education, or building your future wealth, with goal-based investing, you have the power to align your investments with your unique aspirations. है ना इंटरेस्टिंग? अब देखते हैं how your aspirations and mutual funds can be aligned together. Retirement funds. With these funds, aim to secure your golden years with confidence. कैसे? Retirement funds are expertly crafted to grow your nest eggs steadily over time, so that you can retire on your own terms. Retirement funds come with a lock-in period of 5 years, so that you can stick to your retirement goals. चिल्ड्रंस फंड। अब अपने बच्चों के फ्यूचर के लिए आपको खुद का फ्यूचर सैक्रिफाइस नहीं करना होगा, क्योंकि चिल्ड्रंस फंड्स आर डिजाइन्ड टू ग्रो अलोंगसाइड योर चाइल्ड, प्रोवाइडिंग द फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट दे नीड टू परस्यू देयर ड्रीम्स विदाउट द बर्डन ऑफ डेट। These funds come with a lock-in period of at least 5 years, or till the child attains the age of majority, whichever is earlier. Wealth accumulation. Now, if your aim is to build long-term wealth, then you could consider equity and balance funds. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting out, mutual funds offer a diverse range of options to suit your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. For instance, if you are looking to generate income with relatively low risk, then you could consider debt funds. And if you are looking to park your surplus money till the time you decide where to invest it next, then you could consider liquid fund or arbitrage fund. So why settle for a one-size-fits-all approach to investing? Take control of your financial future with mutual funds. जब लाइफ मांगे मोड़, बढ़ो म्यूचुअल फंड्स की ओर। अब SIP से सारा देश करे निवेश। An investor education initiative by Tata Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.